Hello, welcome back. This is the Ragtag Resilience Urban Farm here in front of Tallow House and where we live. And I'm so excited to show you. We have our very first globe artichoke. Check it out, it's a baby.
Flowers of that yet.
These were artichokes that we started from seed in the greenhouse. Well, actually in our house last January. And if you saw some of our, other videos and posts, we started them from seed and we overwintered them we stuck them in the fridge. We put our seeds in soil and then let them sprout, and then we put them in the refrigerator. And what that did is it shocked them into becoming more mature and heat tolerant as well in this Oklahoma intense summers to be able to be more productive. And it worked. All of that extra effort and learning and research and practice came to fruition. So for an artichoke started from seed in January of 2025 to be able to be started, transplanted, and produce its very first head is kind of a big deal, especially in Oklahoma. Ain't nobody else growing artichokes here. So that and pups. These are considered artichoke pups when they start to, do little offshoots and stuff. But, so that's one thing I had to share because I'm really proud of us. I'm proud of my husband and all of his knowledge and practice. These are turmeric flowers. So this is the turmeric that is wild Alabama turmeric, I believe, or something like that. And they're flowering. Turmeric flowers. How cool is that?
Yeah.
They are edible. They're not like super tasty or anything, but man, aren't they gorgeous? And they only flower in ideal conditions from what I've read. So we will have some amazing Oklahoma grown turmeric that we'll make cool stuff with. Thinking of some like moon milk and different things. But yeah, so here's something else I would like to point out. Is a lot of times we think about gardening and we talk about zones, like we're in zone 7B, or 7A, I don't know, whatever. We were zone 6B. It's been reclassified as zone 7A, so like the higher end. My point is, you would never think about turmeric and artichokes growing next to each other in any region, except for the fact that we are utilizing microclimates and the fact that Oklahoma has a very hot, humid growing summer, which is ideal for turmeric, that we are growing as an annual, not a perennial. We will try and overwinter it. But we also have very cold winters, which can be hard on artichokes too. So we will also try and overwinter this through some deep layered mulching and the fabric stuff. Anyways, my point is, we and our zones, wherever we're growing in the world, especially in the USA where we use zones for stuff, need to pay more attention than just our last frost date and our first date date. We need to, sorry, my nose is running, pay attention to the fact that there's a whole lot happening in between, and so know the peaks of how hot it gets, how much water you get, how much sunlight things need, because you might be surprised of what you can grow in the same place by just paying attention to the growing conditions, not just the zones that you live in, okay? So this is utilizing microclimates and intentional planting using permaculture principles. So, beautiful turmeric with flowers and globe artichokes. This is also a flower. It's like the thistle and stuff, but it's edible and it's delicious, and I'm just so excited to see what we can do through very creative, knowledgeable, and resourceful gardening practices. So let me know if you like this, and I'll tell you more.